Hello, this is our PID controller setup. As you can see, we have a controller, we have a sensor over here, and we have a ball over here. So let me connect the power supply now, and let's see what happens when I place the ball at one of the corners. So I am placing the ball at this corner and I am turning on the power supply. You can notice it started moving in one direction, then it eventually takes the other direction and it will try to reach to the center point all the time. So let me do it again. Let me place the component somewhere at one of the corners. Let's say I'll put it here. So it will try to adjust itself to the center all the time. So it may take some time, depends on the P and ID values, but it will adjust itself and keep itself at the middle all the time. As long as the desired value comes up, it keeps rotating and settle itself down. So as you can notice, we have a servo motor here. This servo motor helps in motion, so this keeps moving. Depends on the sensor values. If the sensor observes the ball at the middle point, then the servo will stop moving completely. So this may take some time, depends on the PID values. As I mentioned, the entire code and everything is going to be kept in the description out there. You can go and visit it. The setup explanation, everything is also be available with us. So as you can notice, now it stopped. So this is the center point for this particular setup. If you move it a bit, then you can notice the motion will again get started. The movement will again get started. It keeps rolling as long as it stays away from the center point. This particular application is available in so many different places. Now if you talk about the air conditioners in our home, that also uses PID controller, where it has a closed loop setup. Now you can see it's placed in the middle point. So we have so many other rocket launchers. So if you have a rocket and you want to reuse the rocket, and the position has to be arranged in such a way that it should always align with the ground. We have ships. Okay, ships also need to adjust according to the flow of water as well. So there are so many places where we use this PID controllers. This is one of the best examples of PID controller. Thanks for watching.